Motorized novelties in the 1950s gained notoriety for their tendency to overheat, leading to burns and small fires. Such incidents raised significant safety concerns, ultimately leading to a ban on these toys in the 1970s and prompting the establishment of stricter safety regulations. Lead soldiers, admired for their detailed craftsmanship, posed serious poisoning hazards to children due to lead-based paint. As awareness of lead toxicity grew, significant health risks were highlighted, resulting in widespread bans on such toys. Rocket-firing guns, which utilized explosive mechanisms, presented considerable risk of eye injuries from high-velocity projectiles. The Austin Magic pistol serves as a prime example, leading to regulatory interventions and more stringent toy safety laws. With the advent of the 1980s, the introduction of softer materials, such as foam, transformed the design of toy swords, enhancing safety for children while aligning with evolving industry standards and consumer expectations. Water pistols, gaining popularity since the 1950s, underwent significant redesigns for safety. By shifting from fragile materials to sturdier constructions, these toys not only improved durability, but also ensured continued enjoyment without compromising safety. Electric toy trains, previously seen as risky due to exposed wires, benefited from rigorous safety enhancements. Innovations like plastic casings now allow children to engage with these toys more safely and confidently. Magnifying glasses for children are now crafted with safety as a priority, focusing on enriching educational experiences while minimizing the risk of eye damage. Modern versions incorporate safety guidelines and reduced lens power for added protection. Vintage glow-in-the-dark toys once captivated children's imaginations, but their use of radium-based paint posed serious health risks. As awareness of radiation hazards increased, regulations emerged to ban harmful materials in toy production. Inflatable animal toys from the 1950s, while colorful and fun, were often made with subpar materials, leading to choking and strangulation risks. Today's inflatable toys adhere to non-toxic standards and are subject to strict safety regulations. Dart guns, particularly popular models like Nerf blasters, pose dangers with hard plastic tips that could cause eye injuries. In response to these concerns, manufacturers faced increased scrutiny, resulting in the removal of certain models from the market. Wooden toy hammers, often crafted from inexpensive wood, raise concerns over splinters and breakage. Their lightweight appeal for toddlers came at the cost of safety, emphasizing the need for improved design standards to prevent potential injuries. Dolls adorned with lead-based paints presented significant health risks, including lead poisoning. A notable recall in 2007 due to excessive lead levels underscored the urgent need for enhanced safety oversight in toy production. The surge of consumer advocacy in the 1970s catalyzed stricter regulations governing toy safety, compelling manufacturers to adopt safer design practices for children's toys to protect young users more effectively. Miniature trampolines faced heightened scrutiny due to their association with injury risks. This led to improvements in safety features, such as the incorporation of nets and padding in modern designs, ensuring better protection for children during play. Early toy airplanes, equipped with sharp metal propellers, were swiftly removed from the market due to evident safety hazards. This prompted a shift towards safer materials like plastic and contemporary toy designs, prioritizing child safety. In the 1960s, toy guns such as Mattel's Tommy Burst and Thunder Burp raised serious safety concerns due to their explosive sounds capable of causing hearing damage. Consequently, these toys were phased out in favor of safer alternatives. Spring-loaded toy knives enjoyed popularity in the 1950s and 60s. However, their mechanisms posed injury risks. This led to companies removing them from the market, as strict regulations now govern the safety of such toys. Toy helicopters with sharp rotors presented injury hazards, particularly to children's eyes. Reports of injuries triggered recalls and the establishment of stricter regulations aimed at enhancing safety in flying toys.